In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Bing, our Copilot, from Windows 11 across the system. We're going to cleanly hide or disable Bing and Copilot from the taskbar, Start menu and Search, and Microsoft Edge, using built-in settings first and a couple of registry tweaks for deeper control. Follow along, and I'll explain what each change does so you know exactly what you're turning off. Start with the taskbar. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Under Taskbar Items, toggle off Copilot to remove the Copilot button immediately. While you're here, customize the search control. If you don't want a search box on the taskbar at all, set it to Hide. This keeps the interface clean and prevents accidental web searches from there. Next, let's reduce Bing integration in Windows Search. In Settings, open Privacy and Security, then Search Permissions. Turn off Cloud Content Search for your Microsoft account and for work or school if it appears. This stops Windows from blending online results into your start and search experiences. Also turn off search highlights to remove extra web-driven content and promotions that can surface in the search panel. These changes keep local search focused on your files, apps, and settings. Now address Microsoft Edge. Open Edge, click the menu, then Settings. Under Sidebar, turn off the Copilot button or the option that shows Copilot in the sidebar. If you rarely use the sidebar, you can disable the sidebar entirely to avoid Copilot entry points. Go to Privacy, Search, and Services, then Address Bar and Search, and switch the search engine used in the address bar to your preferred provider. On the new tab page settings, minimize or remove content feeds so Bing-driven panels don't reappear each time you open a tab. For deeper control, use the registry with care. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and back up your registry or create a restore point first. To disable web suggestions in Start and Taskbar Search, navigate to HKE current user/software plus policies or Microsoft Windows Explorer. If the Explorer key doesn't exist, create it. Inside, create a DDWord value named Disable Search Box Suggestions and set it to 1. To turn off Windows Copilot via policy, go to HKE current user via software plus policies, Microsoft Windows Copilot, create the key if needed, then add a DDWord named Turn Off Windows Copilot and set it to 1. Close Registry Editor and restart your PC or restart Windows Explorer to apply the changes. After these steps, Copilot and Bing should be effectively hidden across the taskbar, Search, Start, and Edge. If any element returns after an update, revisit these settings to confirm they're still in place.